Hi everyone, this is Mondan Raghavan. This video we are going to see how to install the Cypress for automation. Let's say you have decided Cypress for the automation task and we are going to install what are the necessary softwares and the executables required for the Cypress. Now, first of all, we need to install the Nodejs, which will be acting like a runtime environment for the JavaScript. And as you know that Cypress supports only the JavaScript. Then we are going to install the VS Code as IDE for the JavaScript. And we are going to create a folder for the project and we are going to open the project inside the VS Code. Then we are going to execute the npm init to initialize the project, which will automatically create the package.json where you will mention all the dependency packages. npm install Cypress, we are going to execute. It will install the package for, especially for the Cypress. It is the only package you require for the Cypress automation. And you will create Cypress.json, but it will be having a different configuration for the Cypress itself. And we are going to execute the command called npx to execute the Cypress command to open the Cypress runner where you can find all the test cases, you can debug, you can run, you can see the results. So we will do step by step. Nodejs, you can go to the nodejs.org and just download the very recent one. At the same time, you can go to the download Visual Studio and download the very recent one. Since I have already downloaded and executed, I am not going to download here. But however, you can just download and see how the navigation goes. Node.js has been downloaded. So just double clicking. Next. We can accept the terms. Next. 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 Install. VS Code has been downloaded. Double click on that. So it's already running. So I am going to cancel. But however, in your case, it will be just like a next, and you will be having the VS Code in your system. So Node.js has been installed. We can click on finish. Just to confirm Node has installed or not, go to your console or command prompt. Just type Node, enter. You can see the Node console and you can see the version of that. Press Ctrl+C double time. Just type npm -- version. You can see the version of the npm and you need to make sure that npx also installed. Here you can see the npx as well. Okay, we have confirmed that Node.js has been installed and we can open the VS Code. Just looking for the Windows, type for VS and you can see the Visual Studio Code. Once you open, initially you will be getting the page like this and click on open folder. Go to your any page or let's say any folder that you are going to create the project. Just create. Cypress project, enter, enter. So we have created the folder here. So now click on terminal, go to the new terminal. Make sure you are in the command prompt. There will be two kinds of, let's say, terminal will be open here. One is PowerShell, another one is the command prompt. Just look for the command prompt. You will be in the same location where your project is. Now we will just type npm install, npm init to initialize the project. Here it will ask for the package name. So Cypress project by default. Version I'm giving 1.00. Description I'm not giving as of now. Entry point will be the index.js. Let it be the default value. Test command default value. Get repository no. Enter, enter, other, enter. Yes. Once you create, you can see the package.json with the values that we have provided. So this will be the dependency file where you will add the other packages that you require for your project. Let's say if you want the Cypress, we will be having the entry here for the Cypress as well. So how to install the Cypress? Again, npm install Cypress. So by default, it will download the very latest version. So just make enter. After a few seconds, Cypress has been installed here. And here now you can execute the npx. So npm stands for Node Package Manager, where you will where you will manage all the packages for the Node.js. npx stands for Node Package Execution, and we are going to execute the command called Cypress with the input open. So npx, the command will be Cypress, and input will be open. So before that, you can see here, as soon as we execute the install Cypress, you can see the one more, let's say node modules. Here you can see, here you can all the node modules required for the Cypress. And inside the package.json, here you can see there is a dependencies for the Cypress, and the Cypress version is 9.1.0. So since we have installed the Cypress package, you can see the entry here for the Cypress. Now we are going to open the Cypress, npx Cypress open, enter. So here you can see the Cypress runner. So in this, you can execute your test cases. You can see the run results, and you can set up something on the Cypress level. And here under the test, you can have some sample test cases. For example, if you want to execute some, let's say cookies specs.js, it will execute. And you can see the test steps on your left-hand side, and you can see the execution on your right-hand side. So this is the way, even if we create our own test case, it will be executing. So this is called, let's say, Cypress test runner, where you can have your test cases and the running results, and you can debug as well. So this is all about just installing the Cypress automation framework. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.